thermal image survey of a plant room that's relatively well insulated. And you can see here around the main pump set, the uninsulated pipe work around the pump that could be lagged or insulated. Best 73 degrees. We're losing heat to the plant room, which of course means more energy required to recover these losses. As we move around, these are the hot water circuits. You can see it's quite well lagged, but there are some minor gaps. So join-in points here, 70 degrees. It's a 3-port valve, high 50, 60, 70 degrees there. These are all areas where we're losing heat. Pump set here for a heating zone, uninsulated, 73 degrees. We're losing heat to the plant room, which means we're losing heat before it's arrived at its desired location. Some minor gaps here again, but again, 73, 74 degrees. This is how we waste energy in plant rooms.